Let's go. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going to tase you. Put your hands behind your back. Hey.
The video for today is an incident where a Columbus police officer was working special duty at the Hollywood Casino, and he was asked to escort a man off the property who was being drunk and belligerent. The officer attempted to escort this man off the property. The man became combative. He threatened to knock the officer out and said that he was going to embarrass this officer. Unfortunately for the man in the video, the only person being embarrassed today is him. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Over here, we'll talk about this. I just want to go. Look.
Let's go. They don't want you here anymore.
No,
all right, but are you? You want them out of here? Is that what we're doing? All right, let's get out of here.
Listen,
hey, let's walk.
Leave for what? Don't touch me. I ain't disrespecting you, bro.
They want you to leave.
Dab me.
They want you to leave.
Chill out.
They want you to leave.
Touch me.
Listen, they want you to leave. It's a private establishment.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I heard what you said. It's a private establishment. They want you to leave. I'm not. We need to leave. Listen, what's your name? What's your name?
You don't even know my name.
What's your name? Let's go. I'm going to escort you out. Take your hands out of your pockets. I'm going to escort you out. Let's go.
Bro, can I get my ticket?
No. Hey.
Stop touching me.
277.
Let me pick my ticket up.
Hey.
Do
that again. This is going to be a bad day for you.
Thank you, bro.
It's going to be a bad day for you.
You come out with me.
Stop touching me.
Let's walk out.
Stop touching me.
Let's walk out.
I'll embarrass your ass in.
Let's walk out of here.
Yo, bro, can you please tell
Walk out of here.
Yeah. Bro, it's all good,
walk
bro.
out of here.
Hey,
casino special.
Just for today, man. All right?
Nah, you know I'm good, bro. Why you touching me like that? You see how violent?
Hey, run me in another car, please, to the valet.
Whatever you want.
Walk out of here. Let's go.
103, anybody on 15 that's close to
Let's walk. Hey, take your hands out of your pockets. We're walking. We're walking. Hey, we're fucking walking.
Hit me.
Walk.
Hit me.
Walk.
With all these
Let's go.
hit me.
Walk out of here.
I'm not pussy like
Walk
you.
out of here.
You pussy.
Walk out of here.
And you pussy.
Walk out of here.
Bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop
Hey.
touching me, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Man, stop touching
Put your hands behind your back. Let's go. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going to tase you. Put your hands behind your back. Hey. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Get down on the ground.
Hit me, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hit me, bro.
Roll over. Roll
I ain't
over.
doing nothing wrong, bro.
Roll over. Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, you doing too much, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're not strong.
I'm gonna punch you in
Chill
the
out,
face.
bro. Punch me.
I'm gonna punch you in the
He
face.
said he gonna punch me in the face. Punch me.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Bro. Hit me with the taser, bro. I got a good lawyer, bro. I love shit like this. I love shit like this.
Put your hands behind your back.
That's cool, bro, but I ain't no bitch. My sneakers cost more than your fucking salary.
I don't care. Stand up.
Yeah, pick me up, bitch.
Stand up.
That's cool. When you're starting to know who I am, watch what you do.
I don't care.
I know you don't.
Let's
That's
walk.
why you did what you did.
Yeah.
That was man
And guess
unnecessary. I
what?
was about to walk out.
It wasn't unnecessary.
Bro, you what?
You're swinging around.
Saying you bugging, bro.
I'm not bugging out at all.
Scared of none of this.
You're acting an idiot. I'm not saying you're scared.
That's cool, bro. That shit on camera.
It is on camera.
Where my lawyer?
I don't care about your lawyer.
I know you don't, bro.
Spread your feet.
At, bro?
Spread your feet.
That's cool, bro. I ain't dirty. I know how much money you got on. Niggas just try to steal my ticket, all that.
I don't know why you got to make things difficult.
Bro, you did.
No, they asked you to leave.
Deal with it, Mom.
And you're in here being an idiot.
Bro, like, why would you do this, bro? I was trying to leave, bro. Like, that shit
You
was
weren't trying to
unnecessary.
leave.
Bro, I thought I was about to leave, bro. You bugging, bro. Deal with what you about to deal with. You think I'm pussy? I'm a little
I'm not
kid.
saying you're a pussy.
37 years old.
I
Talk
don't
to
care.
me like I'm a little kid. My
I'm not.
grandpa's 2 Purple Hearts in the fucking Vietnam
and no
War.
one has a problem with that.
Yeah, all right.
But they asked you to
Fucking
leave,
call your backup.
and they don't want you to leave.
Bro,
And you don't want to leave. They told you to leave.
You just try to push me on the ground. You gonna tase me,
Yeah,
bro?
because you swung on me. You're lucky you didn't get knocked out.
I swung
Stop.
on you.
Spread
Bro,
your
you
feet.
doing that dumb shit,
Spread
bro.
your feet.
No. My feet already spread. I'm not a little fucking kid. And I'm not gonna disrespect you. You're
You're
disrespecting
being
yourself.
disrespectful.
Bro, you know what? I'm done talking. Where's my lawyer?
I don't need your lawyer.
All right, so then deal with it. Nothing in there. I'm
26.
not on drugs. I'm from Brooklyn.
Okay.
Pussy.
Shut up. You're being
Where your
ridiculous.
sergeant?
I'm not
Sergeant?
calling a sergeant.
Okay.
Can I get a sergeant, please? That's all
Stop
I want.
turning around or you're going to go back on the ground.
That shit don't work for me. That YouTube shit don't work, bro. I'm
It's
not
not
turning
YouTube.
around. none
You
of that.
are
when
turning
you try
around.
to push me on the ground, when you push me right on camera,
Yeah.
I lay down, pull my hands up.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah,
What
because you
gonna do,
swung
try to
on me and
shoot
you balled your fists. Okay?
Bro, that shit don't work, bro.
It
Everything in my pockets is legal, bro. I come here all the time, bro. You look like a dumbass, bro. Grab me like that. I play football. I'm good, bro. Like, that's from him. That's from him. I'm Pops. I know. I mean, with my grandpa's 2 tours. Vietnam. Like, yeah, not this is a military state. Where's Donald Trump when you need him? You know the fuck I am?
I don't care
Figure
who
it
you
out.
are.
Lock me up.
I don't care who you are.
Talking that dumb shit.
Could get one of your cup key on fell out in there.
This is unnecessary, bro. This is very unnecessary. But I know you're not gonna let me out right here because you never had no balls. That's why I laid down like that.
You laid down because you didn't want to get hurt in front of all these people.
Well, we don't need any more 60s here, I don't think.
I'm not like that, bro.
Copy. Aaron again, shut down 60.
You're a fucking bugger. I don't know what
Thanks.
payroll you on, but you
over.
lost. Can I get my
I'll
stuff?
get it for you.
Oh. Come on, Jeremy, you know what it is. Come on, tell
Take a seat.
Fuck, bro. I ain't do nothing wrong. You did.
They wanted.
In this place, somebody
I'm gonna
else
check
gonna
him.
be in
They
trouble.
wanted him to leave. He didn't. He didn't leave.
Like, it's no
We tried to escort him out.
You want me to leave?
It obviously didn't work.
Okay.
He balls his fist, so put him on the ground and we'll just get him out of here. He can get some tickets and we'll get him out of here.
Okay.
A ticket, man.
Well, if you're acting up and you're wanting to fight and all
I
that,
didn't
we'll
try
work
to fight him.
we'll
He
work
tried
through
to
it all.
chase me.
I didn't tase you because you got on the ground.
Listen to what I just saw.
Okay.
I got no problem with you.
Do you have a
Somebody
card
tried to
here,
take
sir?
My ticket. Then I went to the security. It's all on camera.
What? Can you explain what the
Listen,
ticket is?
I'm telling you something. So when you play,
He dropped a slot ticket.
like, you know what
I
I'm
think they
saying?
picked it up.
It'll give you a ticket.
Oh, okay.
Hey, like you won.
Oh, so you
my
get money
ticket
on that
wanna
little
come
ticket.
out.
Okay.
So I went and got security. The security in there, they gonna fuck with me, not y'all. And I don't want that.
I got
understand
you.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like all of that scaring me shit is not gonna work.
Nobody's trying to
Well,
scare you.
my fucking partners is pumping, so here we are.
That's going on out here. Brothers shooting brothers and all that. I'm
It's gonna freeze me one man, maybe not for all the house.
away from everything.
I got you. Are you with someone?
Property room, so
Nah, I'm not getting nobody involved with this. I'll take
No,
it.
I mean like you need to tell them what's up.
Listen, the brother right there with the blue shirt, he told me. He was like, yo, he's like, you good, just leave it. I don't know.
Yeah, but it
Alright,
sounds
cool.
like you didn't do that. I
Nah,
wasn't here.
but I
I
don't
wasn't here.
want no trouble. He did. When he
Okay.
tried to grab me, he tried to clip me.
To escort you
It's
out, I
all on
think.
scammer.
I got you.
Scammer.
What's
You see
scammer?
it? Scammer, like, he's scamming the situation.
Oh, I got you. I've never heard that term.
He tried to put it